Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Toyota Yaris backseat. Start by sitting in the rear and locating the small release lever near the top of the backrest. Pull the lever with steady force and fold the backrest forward while holding the cushion to keep it from catching. If your model has a removable cushion, lift it up and set it aside. Make sure the seat locks back securely before driving. Begin by folding the backrest flat to give yourself room to work and expose the cushion mounts. Use the right socket to remove the mounting bolts under the cushion, keeping steady pressure to avoid rounding heads. Tilt the seat forward to find clip points and carefully unhook them with a trim tool or flat screwdriver wrapped in cloth. Keep bolts and clips in a labeled bag so reinstallation is quick and trouble-free. When reinstalling, align the rails and slide the seat into place until you feel the mount engage, then insert bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading. Tighten bolts evenly and check torque against recommended values if you have them, or ensure they are snug without over-tightening. Reconnect any electrical connectors if present, and always test the latch by applying firm pressure and trying to move the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.